Hey Becky, so in your last video you spent a lot of time driving around. This week I spent a lot of time moving around. I am in a new place. Yes, and notice I have a bed for the very first time in a long time, and I'm not really sleeping under all of the covers, which these covers aren't really mine, it was fully furnished. But that is because of the heat here. I would be probably sweating myself to death if I decided to sleep under all the covers. So I just have my own cover, which is the blue micro fleece blanket, which is very fuzzy and comfortable, that I am sleeping just under that. And my own pillow too. Yes. So here we have my desk, which I have like some little snacky food things there. Printer. Yes, PS3. I have like the same setup here. I'm playing Gran Turismo 5 right now, or at least playing B-Spec, which means that I'm letting a driver play the game for me. But this was really easy because I could fit it in my car. It's my movie collection. With the bookcase, I had a lot more reference books. I still only have kept my calculus book, which was in that last video. Math-wise, and then I have like a couple programming books. I had a couple more, and music CDs, all of my PS3 games. And then books, I went to a used bookstore, and any book that I owned that I hadn't finished reading, I pretty much got rid of, except the John Green books, because those are author-signed copies. When you start going through your belongings again, though, you start finding things that you haven't messed around with in a while, or you had completely forgotten about, such as this thing, which was a gift from my roommate last Christmas. And of course the wide assortment of hats, which I tend to get hats and then realize after I put them on that I don't really like them, because at least they look weird on me. Like, I'll keep them as sort of a collector's item, I guess, but this hat was one that I got from high school in a competition, the National Ocean Science Bowl competition, from being in marine biology my junior year when I first transferred to Skyview. The GoDaddy hat also has a story with it, not a very interesting one or a long one at that, but career fair pretty much sums it up. And the Goofy hat, which hasn't made an appearance in any of my videos in a while. So I think I look ridiculous in the Goofy hat. I look goofy in the Goofy hat. But I didn't know that at the time because there wasn't really a mirror next to where I bought it, and I ended up buying it pretty much first thing being there and wearing it the rest of the day that I was there. And then I saw myself in the mirror afterwards and was like, oh my gosh, I walked around in this thing. But moving, that's what's been going on with me this week, and even my work, my office has been moving this week, so moving at work and then moving when I get back home, and it's all been kind of stressful. But I'd say I've relaxed, and I'm a little better now, so yeah, it should be fine the rest of the 2 days of this week, and we'll go from there. Becky, I will see you next week.